Hey guys, I'm Karen from Prepared and Sustainable Living. Welcome for tuning in today. Prepared and Sustainable Living is a brand where I make especially YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, but mainly YouTube and Instagram about niches of emergency preparedness, gardening, homesteading, fishing, hunting, outdoor camping, survival, and everything between. Uh, Being a good housewife, traditional old school living, and everything between. We do, we did lately just make out the video how to cut horses in the summer or how to make your own cherry pie crust. The upcoming videos are gonna be about how to preserve the stuff that's in a garden that's coming up soon. Uh, we're gonna finish the greenhouse, make some greenhouse videos. We hunting season's gonna start, fishing's gonna come up soon. We have a hunting dog we take out a lot, and a lot of outdoor activities, canning, preserving, crafts. I make a lot of knitting, stitching. I want to make a quilt this winter and much more. So if any of those things or being ready for the snowstorm that might hit us this winter and other emergencies sound good for you, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell and give us some views on the videos. And please leave a comment. I would really like to know what you like, what you don't like, what you would like me to change, or what you want content about, because I really want to make valuable content for you. And I'll see you on the next one for another interesting adventure.